Disaster has struck, or at least a rearrangement. For Souso, our observant long-haired tuxedo cat, a shifted sofa isn't just furniture, it's a cosmic realignment. What is this sorcery? The familiar terrain has changed. Every scent must be verified, every shadow investigated. Is this still her kingdom? The mission, a full-room audit. First, the new plant. A cautious sniff. Is it friend or foe? Then the moved armchair. A daring leap, thorough neat. Still perfectly soft. Inspection passed. She navigates the new pathways with comical precision. A hesitant paw here, a quick dash there. Every changed angle demands a fresh investigation. It's a feline detective at work. Even the floor feels different. A perplexed head tilt, a quick self-groom. It's tough being a cat when your humans keep moving the universe around. Oh, the indignity! Finally, a moment of acceptance. The new order is reluctantly approved. Souso settles in, perhaps even finding a new favorite sunbeam spot. Home sweet home, no matter the layout.